Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at using tabs for auto-completion. This practice means that you don't have to type complete file names or even complete commands, and you'll probably avoid some typos in the process. To use file completion for commands, simply type the first few letters in a command name and then hit the tab key. And you see what happens. It filled in the rest of the letters. And since no other commands started with EC, that was pretty easy. So now I'm just going to type in the text for echo, and we're done. Now, if more than one command begins with the letters you've typed, you're going to hear a bell sound and then have to press the tab key again. So if I type here, ASCII, hear the bell. And if I type tab again, it shows me the other commands, or all of the commands that begin with the letters in ASCII. So at this point, I'm going to type the letter to differentiate which of these commands I want, hit tab again, and it filled in the command name. Now, I want to ASCII view something, and if you have ASCII view on your system, you can then just type the first couple of letters in the file that you want to display, and it fills it in, and there's your ASCII view of arrow.jpg. I'll hit Q to quit that view. Well, that's your Linux tip for tab completion. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.